Hey, Doc Jones here from the HomeGrown Herbalist School of Botanical Medicine, and this is Yucca. So Yucca is the genus, and they call them yuccas. That's nice for a change, right? You don't have to remember a fancy Latin name. Uh, anyway, this is a very pokey plant. He just skewered me and my kidney, and I'll probably die. But it's a very useful medicinal plant. The root's the medicine, and you want to have a very long shovel when you're harvesting these because they're pokey little boogers. But the root's the medicine. It has a lot of saponins in it, which are soapy chemicals. You can use it for soap, and it works well for that. But it also contains some phytosterols similar to corticosteroids, like prednisone, right? Um, and they're not just, it's not exactly like prednisone, and they're not exactly sure how it works, but it's very similar medicinally. So it's useful for inflammation, useful for arthritis, those kinds of joint pain issues, useful for autoimmune allergic kinds of things as well. So yucca is the plant. They also, you can break the tips off and pull a string and you can sew with it. The American Indians used to do that. But anyway, that's yucca. There's lots of species. It doesn't matter which one you use. And like I say, the root's the medicine. You can harvest that any time of year that you're brave enough to get that close. Doc Jones here from the HomeGrown Herbalist School of Botanical Medicine. And this is yucca.